up, YouTube? You understand me? Baby Brown, the goddamn crew in this thing, you understand me? We in this motherfucker with the lion, tigers, and bears. So if y'all hear some motherfucking birds, we in the elephant zoo the Atlanta Zoo right now. You understand me? Hey, so we back with another YouTube banger, man. Another mukbang for y'all. This is my partner Trav, man. One of the crew members, you understand me? First time on the channel, you feel me? So,
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. Hold it down.
your Instagram or whatever.
I'm Trav Killing on Instagram. Same thing on Facebook.
We got Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. So if anybody had that Ruth's Chris Steakhouse right now, this is what it is, man. We got the lobster mac. You feel me? Let them know what you got, Trav.
Steak and shrimp.
Trav got the steak and shrimp, you understand me? And he also got the lobster mac. I got this, it posted, man. I've been waiting for this for so long, y'all. And I'm hella disappointed, man. This supposed to be the stuffed chicken, but this motherfucker look like a Cornish hen on the good.
Ran off on the floor twice.
This look like a pigeon that you done found at your favorite park and stuffed this motherfucker with some flour, cheese, and mushrooms.
What?
I got the famous cheesecake, and then also I got some salad, man. I got a half a tray of salad as well. You feel me? So we starving, man. We went all the way to Walnut Creek to get this. You feel me? We about to dive in, y'all. You feel me? So what we about to do first is we about to do a thumbnail. So thumbnail. So this is my boy's first time doing a mukbang. It's cool, man. You about to dive in, man.
I'm about to tilt the steak like everybody raving about the steak. Let's see if it's really where it's supposed to be.
So this that lobster mac for y'all. I better help and get some, man. First bite for y'all. First bite. Yeah, dripping. All that. Mm-hmm.
Boy, hey, slow the hell down, boy. Wipe your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I can taste the lobster, you feel me, in the thing, but it just seemed like the sauce that they use is tasting real artificial for me, you feel me? It's good. It's good to the average person, but to somebody that cook and make homemade macaroni and cheese, you feel me? I can tell that's just not no homemade shit. Trav, what you cutting up over there, man?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let them get the first bite of that, man. What's going on?
I don't know how y'all like y'all steak, but
so you can be able to show them because it blocked the light. And
I don't know how y'all like y'all steak, but medium well for me.
You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
But I ain't gonna lie, the lobster mac and cheese still tastes fire though. You feel me? I ain't gonna down talk like it don't taste good. It do taste good. It just don't taste like no homemade shit. You know what I mean?
Right. And I don't know if you like the way the steak look, but it looked good to me, and it tastes as good as it looked. Could have been a little bit bigger in my opinion, but still fire though. Okay.
A lot of y'all crew members don't know that me and my boy Trav be in the kitchen a lot, man. We be experimenting with a lot of shit. He the man on the grill, you feel me? He the man on the grill.
I'm the man, you feel me, in the kitchen, you understand me? So, comment down below.
If y'all want us to make a homemade Ruth's Chris food review for y'all, man, and we can be able to make this shit from scratch.
Let's try these shrimp.
That lobster go crazy though. Well, it's a baby buried or something.
The baby bird.
Or a baby Daffy Duck or something. So it's supposed to be stuffed. It's supposed to be stuffed with like cheese, seasons, and all that shit. So we're gonna get a stuffed chicken. Mmm. Mmm.
Ran off on the floor twice.
God damn, crap. It's supposed. It is what it's supposed to be.
That motherfucker fire. I take back everything I said. Ooh, shit. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. We live, baby.
And stuff like that. So all buttery and crispy at the same time. Let's see.
I can make that shit too.
Yeah.
Bullshit. You don't do shit but just put Alfredo sauce and shrimp on your shit and cheese. Some more of this lobster neck. Mm-hmm.
We gotta try something spicy next time.
Huh?
Uh-oh. Where I put that shit back.
Man, he done bought one of them hot spicy chips. One chips.
I'm refining them.
I don't know why Trav did that. Big Baby said she want to do the hot chip challenge.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna probably just have her doing
I can't do it by myself. I have to get somebody with no water.
Listen, Linda. Listen.
Somebody gotta try this. I don't know who it is. They're gonna need more than water for this though. Kentucky one chip challenge. He said it ain't that spicy, so comment down below if you want him to be the one that eat it.
I'm good. How much that shit cost, Trav?
One chip was like $15.
Damn! Nigga, I remember going to the corner store, nigga, and buy, nigga, I can buy 10 big bags of Doritos for that price on the goose.
If he can finish it.
I'm gonna have to be drunk, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. All right. Look at it dripping. Look at that drip. We're going in, y'all.
Birds in the living room, it's like Atlanta Zoo. Lion, tigers, minks, crossing gators for my shoes.
That motherfucker thick. It just ain't that big. Motherfucker thick.
Truth is, I'm tired. Options are few.
They gave me 2 of them though.
You feel me? That's that filet thing.
Monkey niggas in my hood, I'm living in the zoo. Birds in the living room.
Well, little pink, it ain't bleeding now. My mama cooked it. That ain't saying much because half of y'all mamas can't cook.
Facts. You feel me?
My mama got bars.
Right.
Bullshit. Let me taste it. I'll be the judge.
So I got some salad over here for y'all. Some Caesar salad. I'm gonna knock this down. This motherfucker ain't ate half his food. I came in straight slamming. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Motherfucker.
The parrot.
Man, that little ass parrot, that motherfucker go a long way.
There you
Boy.
go.
Shit, boy, that motherfucker thick. Alright. Let me taste this cheesecake for y'all. Let me take one bite, man. It's supposed to be the world famous Roof Chris cheesecake. Dig in that thing. Try, you wanna taste this shit?
Graham cracker crust.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Good. God damn. Nose, boy. That's top notch. Mmm. Yeah. How you like that shit, Trav? How was it for you?
It was good. It was
This
good.
is my first time having Ruth Chris, man. I mean, I'll give it 1 out of 10. What was you ready to try? 1 out of 10.
It's my first time having that
Be
mac and
honest,
cheese.
man.
I give it a 6 or a 7. It could have been thicker. It was creamy, but it could have been thicker.
It wasn't like how your grandma make it, you feel me? Like, it ain't how baby bro make it, you feel me? Fresh out that oven with them real ingredients, man. But,
Yeah.
I mean, my overall experience, 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 7.5. I ain't gonna lie. Baby bruh, crew members, man, my boy Trav right here, man. Hey, man, I told you to come back with another mukbang for y'all, man. Thank y'all for rocking me. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that hit that bell so y'all can be able to get them post notifications when I'm dropping another banger. You feel me? Thank y'all for rocking with me. Y'all have a good night. Love y'all. Peace. Goofy.